Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, we're talking about wintry weather or the potential for that here across the Northwest, across parts of the Midwest, including the Ohio Valley, the Tennessee Valley, are about to get hammered. In fact, we've been seeing some snowfall totals in places like Kansas City, where, get this, they haven't had more than about 6 or 7 events since the 1880s where they've had 6 inches or more, possibly looking at not only that, but close to 8 to 12 inches of snow. This is where the major impact areas are going to be. Let's go out to the map and I'll show you if you're going to be traveling or flying across parts of the Midwest. Big trouble spots: Wichita, Kansas City, down to St. Louis, Chicago, Indianapolis, Cincinnati. Talk to my folks that are right outside of Dayton, Ohio. They've been getting snow. It's now starting to change over to freezing rain, and then some severe weather potential down towards New Orleans. This system continues to slam its way across the East Coast, and as you might expect, it is going to move over to the eastern seaboard. So that will back things up in terms of air travel as well. Now, we've had a little disturbance. I showed you where it was in the first forecast there. I'll put my finger on it there as it slowly sags southward. That, along with some moisture being pulled in from the ocean, enough to sort of trigger some pretty good snow showers across the Portland metro area, out to the western foothills of both the Cascades and the Coast Range to the northern end of the state today. It's been fairly quiet for most of us here. I did get some reports earlier this afternoon around Elmira that they saw some snowflakes and flurries, Corvallis, Albany as well. But right now, most of it looks fairly clean, so we'll keep a very close watch on that tonight. Now, with some of the showers that we did get today, we may see a potential for some slick roadways overnight tonight as temperatures continue to fall. Wind chill warnings, as wind chills will be about 15 to 20 below for the next couple of days out in central Oregon. 36 right now, still mostly cloudy skies. You can see the overcast conditions on our sky cam there. So that is producing, or at least helping to insulate the overnight temperatures so far. But I do think we'll see those clouds start to break. As they do, we'll get back down into the upper 20s. So highs across the state today, much colder. Cold easterly winds in the Downs, keeping them below freezing. 20s in Pendleton, low 40s. So the cold air slowly heading southward over the next couple of days. And as it does, we'll watch as another little disturbance grabs some moisture and slides in. That combination with the cold air is enough that we're going to trigger off some snow showers, mainly to the southern end of the state Thursday night. And then Friday, we'll see another batch swing on through. That one may move right across parts of the southern Willamette Valley. And then as we get to Saturday, we'll see another system move in, and because the cold air in place, could be looking at snow, sleet, freezing rain before it all switches over to rain Saturday night. So we've got a lot going on over the next couple of days. Certainly keep tuned to us here, Facebook, Twitter accounts, or you can always download our app as well from the iPhone or the Apple Store or the Google as well. So the Cascades will be looking at isolated snow showers, icy wind chills there with the temperatures in the teens and low 20s. Sunny and cold in central Oregon, and in the Willamette Valley, we're going to start off with clouds. Tomorrow, we should start to see that drier air eventually break those clouds up, but then we've got the snow potential coming in. Frost for the coast on Thursday, a wintry mix potential at times on Friday, and then rain for the weekend. The Umpqua Basin also looking at a chance for some light snow Thursday into Friday. The Cascades will see plenty of snow. It's going to be nasty cold up at the ski resorts if you're going to head up that way. Single digits likely for highs. And here in the Willamette Valley, a messy, messy forecast, guys. Now, the overnight lows have actually bumped those temperatures up because of the snow, but still, it's like, hey, it's 21. Yeah, it's not 15. Oh, look, now there's snow falling. Pick your poison.
Yeah, 6 of one, half dozen of the other.
You got it.
All right.